Hello world, my name is Abdul Sheikh. I'm from Blender Nouakchott. I am a user Blender for 3 years ago. We'll explain my latest project in Blender V-Ray. First, we have to download vrayblender and V-Ray Maya because Andre, the founder of script, the maker of script, is now a team of V-Ray. First, I have to log in. After that, we have to click in vrayblender. We choose 64 or 32 bit. In my case, I will choose Windows. Okay. I already downloaded the build file. Now we have to download the V-Ray standalone, V-Ray Maya, or V-Ray standalone. In the past, the V-Ray standalone come with V-Ray Maya, but now this is changed. We download the V-Ray Maya Windows. Okay, I have Maya V-Ray standalone installed in my machine. Now we open the Blender project. You can see the file, the blend file, the texturing. The setting is the same in the Blender with some little change. You can see the setting of vrayblender. But we have to talk about setting first. We open vrayblender new scene. Okay, we have the default scene. We add plane. We scale the plane for a few more times. I click the number bar 0. I will to active the screen case add-on for you see my keyboard clicking. I am sorry for my English. Yeah, truly story. Okay. View screen case. Now I have to activate that start display. Now you can the left you can see my click. Okay. I scale more time for okay. I change the resolution of camera to 60 for more speeding the render. I click N for hiding the tab menu, the tab property. Okay, I will the light, the camera, everything is set up. Now we change the Blender render into V-Ray material preview or V-Ray material preview. For we can see the material here. Okay. Now we make render. You can see the render is too dark. We have to change little thing. And first of all, we have to numpad 1. We go to table world. We have to activate global illumination and change some setting for speed of the render. The subdivide in the light cache for 500. Okay, we make another render. We can see the scene is more little brighter, but we have to do something. I have to change to save this in the history for making comparison. Okay, now I have to change some setting. In the gamma, we change that to 2.2 for resolution of For more detail, you can see the tutorial on YouTube how to gamma effect in the scene in vrayblender in general. Okay, we have to switch the Vray physical camera. Okay, now we make the sun is dark because I switched the camera, physical camera, but when okay, now the sun is too more brighter. We can make the comparison. Set A, set B. You can see with the global illumination and 2.2 gamma, the sun is more brighter, and the 2.1 gamma is dark. Now we have to choose the sun sky. The sun. We click add sky texture. We go to tab texture. We choose Vray sky, and now we change that to physical camera. But very thing is important, when you choose a physical camera, we make render, we have to see the scene is more brighter because we have to reduce the intensity of the sun. We go to the tab sun, we go to intensity 0.2, and now we make render. We can see the sun is good. In general, we have global illumination. You can activate here. We can change the value of intensity, luminosity. You can play with that. Okay. Now we make comparison. Save. Set B. And now we can see we have more light coming in the scene. The first part we talk about lighting in general and some setting in the under tab. Now we talk about some material, simple setting of material. Before we have to change to new. I have to add subdivision and smooth. Maybe some bevel too. Okay. And subdivision to okay, smooth. Okay, now we change the material. New. I will choose pure glass. Phonosig. Okay, we add render. I have to deactivate image to Blender. Okay. I will change some setting. Glass. Okay. And you can change to metal like this. To deactivate furnace friction. Okay. I will add HDR texture to go to world tab. After that, scan new image. Go to this okay, sphere. Okay, under. This HDR is too dark. Go to okay, linear and hit render. Now we can see the HDR more. I will switch to the UV mapping by tab, select everything and wrap. Go to split. The same thing in the blender. Okay. Switch to the new image. Selecting the image. We have to choose the texture. Launch. Okay. UV. If you want the texture to be shown in the Blender preview, you have to choose the width fine, switch to texture. If the texture don't show, you have to add light in the scene, because when light go, you can. I can see. Okay. Sometimes we can see the. Okay. And you can see shading. Just solid. Okay. We can add texture solid for text. Now we hit render. You can change the coordinate to UV to like Blender. Go to under tab and scale. Now we talk about simple scene with metal reflection, and the important is the floor. We activate the wrapper. Okay, we have to see what happened. For saving the file, we click Save Image, and we choose the folder we want to save the image. We can choose the Windows bitmap, déjà more extension. Hello Blender user, I am your host Abdelaziz Richard from Blender Workshop. I am a fan for Blender because it's open source and because it's easy to do everything we want. In this video I will show you how to make this scene. It's not complete, but I will show you how to do this scene in the Blender and rendering in the V-Ray. Every person know what is V-Ray. First we have to open Blender. Okay, we go to the new layer. I think we have to do loud factory setting. We go to V-Ray material preview. First of all, we have to load the image for making the zero. We go to first of all, I have to activate the screencast key to watch my keyboard. Click. Okay, we go to add-on screen. Now we press N for activating the screen star display. Okay, now we can go to the work. First of all, we click on the number pad 1 for to the front view. Click the N, T for hiding the menu bar, the property bar. Okay, we hide I have to go to the background image for more opacity. You can see that we bring up the opacity to 0.831. Okay, now we want to position the camera. Control Alt 0. Okay. We click G. We select the camera. We grab the camera like this. Okay. Now we hide the cube. After that, we go to wireframe mode. We scale the cube like this to that way. Okay. We go to the edit mode. We choose face mode like this. We can after that everything is important to do is to go to the property and see detail in the dimension 150 with and the weight and 844 and for the camera 24. Okay, we select the camera, we go here 24 and 14. Okay, and one more time. Okay, we go to edit mode. G, Y. Okay. I think I make a problem. Double icon. Go yes. Down. Okay. I think is enough. Now we make. We have to separate the floor and the ceiling. We click P separate and the floor P other time separate. Okay, now we control R to add loop here. Another here. Another here. Another here. Okay. Another time for the ceiling. Go to edit mode. Ctrl R. We click Shift for controlling the loop cut easily. Shift. You can see it goes slowly. Okay. Control R all the time. Control R. Okay. Control R. Control R. We go to the face mode. We choose and we hit E extrude to Z axis. Okay. We do the same, extrude in the X axis. Okay, another time here, extrude in the corner here. Okay, Ctrl R here, and you go to face mode, extrude here, face mode, extrude here. Okay, we go to top view and we choose here Ctrl R. One, I think, extrude. I delete the faces. Okay. I delete the front window. X face. We have to add the sun. Go to 3. Sun. Okay, we go to sun. We go to sun. Add sky texture. We choose very sky texture. ها ها hook intensity 0.3, and for the camera we go to physical camera, and we go to the render tab. We activate the global illumination and active layer. In the gamma, in the color mapping, we change the value to 2.2, and sub is not for the linear. In the threshold, we change that of 0.005, ambient occlusion to 0.4. In the advanced parameter, in the interpolation type, we choose the interpolation type. We choose density based. We activate detail enhancement for more detail. We choose 500 for speeding the render time. Preferred no. Okay, use for glossy rays and red rays. Okay, now we are ready to make a first render. We have to add for the wall material. We call that wall. Okay. Another floor is good to call and another for the ceiling. I think ceiling or don't. Now we make the render is finished. I think the result is good. We can change some setting here and like the curve here to change the okay. Now we have to add the window. Okay, now we go. I think we have to install the window generator. Okay, it's here. Property. isn't download window. Okay, we go to see user can download environment. Okay, add Windows. Activate Windows. Okay. Now Control Shift A window. Okay. Five. I think we go to wireframe mode. We select the window. We scar the window. We go to edit mode. One. We deselect everything. We go to the vectors mode. Okay, deselect. Okay. Wireframe mode. B to select the top of the window. Grab to there. And okay. Now we have our window. T to hide the menu bar. We duplicate that. Yes. Okay. I have to save this to run tutorial. Tutorial 1. Okay, now we add the material PVC For the glass is important. We choose pure glass. I think for the PVC, choose. Now we make under. The sun we had 0.6. Now we should image. I think we have to use okay. Here to 100. Okay. And now we make under. I will the HDR is not strong. We'll add I think in linear and then around to 150. I have to change that to deserts. Horizontal. Make under now. Okay. I think now is good. I will stop the render is finished. I think now we can go to add furniture and can change the curve, the lighting. Okay. Now we add the furniture. You can see the reflection here in the mirror. Okay. We have I have another thing. We have to say this. Okay. Now we add some furniture, which I will file from and I think we got to object. We choose everything. See, and click and to another layer. Okay, go here, go to the top view. I think we have to know everything X. Okay, we choose the table and we move that another layer. Okay, here. And we go to 0, 7. Okay, I think it's good. Yes, we save that to save. Okay, we go to couch. I think I have to delete the window. I don't need the window. Okay, we move that another layer. Okay. Yes. Okay. Control save. Yeah, I have to, okay, like this. Okay, control save. We add this, like the same. We have did we add the tableau M scene think. Okay. To save. And okay. Another layer. Okay, I think I have to. M to another layer. Okay. It's good now. I think one more thing, as okay. Okay. I think it's finished. I think we can now we will make a render. We'll change the view of camera. Okay. Seven. Okay. We go to the 7. I have to change something. Hash. I have to move the table a bit. Okay. Okay, like this. Alt-H. Fail, save. After we finish with the furniture and now we are ready to make render, we hit render and we will see the results. Okay. We wait more seconds. Okay. I will pause the render after it's finished. I will pause now the render after it's finished. I will show you. We activate. Okay. I think 10 is good. Stay. We have nice global animation. We can activate the stamp for seeing the time of render. The scene took 1 hour 21 minutes. I think the lighting is good. We now we are ready to make texturing, but I will talk about the setting using in the V-Ray. It's not the setting, maximum setting in the vrayblender. First, you have to activate output and add frame to when you finish to model all the scene and add all the model, you deactivate auto export meshes for okay. Now we use 1.4 for image sampler, adaptive DMC, threshold sampler with 0.010, but we can reduce that to 0.05. Ambient global animation refract, ambient occlusion 0.434, limit ray distance with the medium preset, I think. Medium, okay. We activate detail enhancement, calc fast, direct light, use camera path. In the light cache, subdivide the same. For the render final, we make 1000, or we can add 1200. I think store direct light. Yes, you can add sampling. Filter enhanced sample 8. We can use pre-filter 40 sample. Use for glossy ray and retrace. I think we finish now. In the fourth part, we make texturing. In the 5th part, we make post processing in Photoshop and GIMP. I think now is good. And thanks to watching and good luck.